Alright, so now this is not going to be a review video, but I will focus on some key points which is going to be very important for your purchase decision. So now let's first start with the unboxing. Alright, so let's do a quick unboxing. I'm not going to waste too much time. On the front you have the smartphone, and yes, this color is looking nice. I have the red color variant. Well, it has three variants: green, black, and this one red. Well, apart from the phone, you also have a type C to type C cable, which is very nice for this price point. But what is not nice is not having a charger inside the box. I mean, this is very disappointing for the price point of 15,000 rupees. Come on, Samsung. Well, the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G comes with three variants: 464 for 15,000 rupees after SBI card discount, then 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, and the top variant is 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. And the RAM type is LPDDR4X and the storage type is UFS 2.1. Alright, now let's talk about the design. So it's a hit and miss in my opinion, because if you look the rear, it looks absolutely amazing and it resembles the S22 Ultra because of this camera array, and you can literally play music with these textures which Samsung used here. And this phone also comes with a matte finish, so you won't see smudges, so that's also nice. But as I said, it's a hit and a miss as well, because when you look at the phone from the front, you will get the bigger picture, because the front is outdated with these huge chunky bezels, and of course this water drop notch makes the front design even worse. Well, it's fine, because then you can act like you're on a phone call and you can show the rear side of your phone to your crush to impress her. Anyway, fun apart, in a practical sense, the most of the time we as a user are going to spend at the front of the phone, at the display and at the front. Now you know the rest. Okay, some more key points to know. It's a comfortable phone to hold, and the frames and rear are made up of plastic, so it is entirely plastic built. The build quality is just decent. The weight of the phone is 203 grams, so it's slightly on the heavier side, but it doesn't feel very heavy in hands. And talking about the SIM card slots, then you will get two SIM card slots plus a memory card slot, so this is very nice. It has also 5000 mAh battery with 15-watt charging support, so expect a slow charging, but battery life is going to be awesome in my opinion. For biometrics, you have face scanner and the fingerprint ID, and I registered my fingerprint ID and it is working absolutely fine. It is fast, so no problems. Now on the bottom of the phone you will get headphone jack, great, and a single mono speaker, not so great. The output is also okay. By the way, you will get Dolby Atmos support as well. And talking about the sensors, then all the essential sensors are here in the phone, so no problem. And then I did a multiple touch test as well, and there is no issue. You can easily play games like PUBG with 4 fingers without any problem. Even 5-6 touches are not going to give you any kind of trouble. Well, as the box suggests, Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. This phone is 5G and it comes with 7 5G bands, so definitely it is a future-proof phone in terms of 5G. So if you are thinking of buying a 5G phone, then this phone is 5G at least. Now talking about the display, then it comes with 6.6-inch Full HD Plus PLS LCD display, and it is a 90Hz display with 450 nits peak brightness. Now in case if you are wondering that what is PLS LCD, then it's name given by Samsung. Samsung make this type of panels PLS LCD. Now don't think that IPS LCD is better than PLS LCD. Both are better at their own places, but mainly what's the work of PLS LCD? Then the viewing angles on PLS panel will be very good, and the brightness of the panel is also slightly on the higher side even from the different viewing angles. And trust me guys, I can't show you the viewing angle on the camera, but I can see from my naked eyes and it's very good. I mean, seriously. Well, talking about the overall panel, then definitely we could get AMOLED panel, but yeah, here we have LCD. But yeah, definitely the peak brightness is not that much. If you are indoors, then it's okay, but if you are outdoors, then you will face some trouble because it's just 450 nits. Talking about performance, then you will get new Samsung's Exynos 1330 processor, which is made on 5nm technology, and I already told you about the RAM type and UFS type, which is LPDDR4X and UFS 2.1. so performance is looking fine. It's not very powerful but not underpowered as well. For 15,000 price point, I guess it's good. And here is the Geekbench result and also some app opening and closing tests, so you get the idea like how good the phone is. Okay, if we talk about the camera, then don't think that this is 3 cameras. This is just one camera, because one is 2 megapixel macro and one is 2 megapixel depth, or we can say 2 useless cameras and one is the 50 megapixel main camera. But that main camera is actually very impressive. Here are some photo samples. Alright, so I click very few shots, but I get a good idea that this is a good phone for clicking memories and just regular shots, like casual shots. Yeah, this is good. But if you are looking for a serious photography, definitely you need to extend your budget, because in 15,000 range you will get this type of camera, and I am impressed with the camera quality of the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. Alright, so now we are back in the studio, and now it's time to talk about the software. So this phone launched with Android 13 out of the box, One UI 5, and it is One UI Core, not the full-fledged One UI which you used to see in the top tier Samsung phones. So you will miss out on Samsung's secure folder, knock security, and edge panel, screen recording, but you will still get a lot of One UI features. But yeah, good news is that you will get 2 major Android updates and 4 years of security patches. Now 2 years of major Android update means Android 14 and 15 as well, so that's really good. I mean, even on a mid-range phone like this, which just cost 15,000 rupees, get this type of software support is really appreciable. So good move, Samsung. Now it's conclusion time. See, in market, if you see Motorola or Realme or Xiaomi, there are a lot of phones which is better, not in all departments, but definitely overall those phones are better. But if you want a good camera and good primary camera, good battery, and a good looking design, at least from the rear, and a Samsung phone with One UI, of course if you prefer One UI as a software, as a skin, then this phone is not a bad option. I mean, you can definitely go with this phone, but for 15,000 rupees definitely try to get that card offer, because the original price without card offer is 16,500 rupees for the base variant. It's not a bad option. If you are not obsessed with AMOLED panel, then it's a good option. Questions or doubts if you have regarding to this or regarding to any other alternatives, you can ask those in the comment box. And if you like the video, definitely hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.